Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to HumbleFx. Alright, today I just want to show us the result of our last video. We did a video in the morning, and I did analysis on Boom 1000 and Crash 1000. I told you guys that if you see the video that time, you should take that trade. Alright, guys, this is what you want to do. These things you don't want to miss out. Alright, you see that we took this trade in the morning. Look at where we are right now. We check it on the 30 minutes time frame, and I told you guys it's going to go down to that last line. And where is it right now? We have seen it has moved that distance. So if you are in this trade, you have made a lot of profit. Okay, this is how you should be trading. This is what you need to learn. You need to get the understanding of why should I enter this trade. What is the reason behind me taking this trade? What are the backups? Okay, this will help you even with or without indicators. You can still make a good trading decision. You can still make a very good trading decision that will make you good profit. You could see this is $10 I deposited this morning. While doing the video, I used this as a case study. But look at what happened. That boom 1000, we took it and Crash 1000. That's what you see here, and we are making a lot of profit with that. We use that to grow this account up to this point. This is $10, and we have turned it into $80 only for today. This is just to tell you that it is very possible for you to make money in the financial industry. You only need, what you need is just that knowledge. You only need that knowledge. That is all what you need. You don't need account managers. You don't need VIP signals. You don't need, what you need is to get that knowledge, right? Why am I shouting this in my class? Why am I shouting learn? Because learning will make you go far in this industry. It is what will help you to stand out. It will help you at the long run. And I don't say don't join VIP signals and all that, but that, what if the person that is sending the signals is not available in a day? That means you're not going to take trade, or you're going to take wrong. You're going to take any trade you want to take. What if the person is busy? Maybe the person have a project like me. That I'm now in school and I have exams to write. So what if I could not send trade on a signal group? What happens to you? What is your fate? See that? But if you learn, if you know the skills, if you understand what you are doing, then you are going to make your own decisions yourself and trade without anybody's consent. You can only go for mentorship just to get more understanding, to be coached, and on that is different thing. But I need you to learn. I need you to understand that there is power in the knowledge. It's not about signal, about account manager. I'm seeing a lot of people coming to my DM saying, "Hi, HumbleFx, do you do account management? Do you do this? Do you do this?" Because you see, I grow $10, $5, you now come for account management. What if I blow the account? What happens? What will you say about me? What if I blow it? What will you say about me? And people, many of us are doing that. Many of people that are trading, they are doing that stuff. You go to look for an account manager, it blows. You start to spread bad news about the person that traded for you. Why you're the one that went for account management? Why not trade on yourself? Why not learn? Get the skills. Alright, guys. Uh, my coming class is going to be blast. If I have one person in that place, I'm going to teach. I'm going to teach that person. If I have two persons, I'm going to teach the persons. But just beware that this price you are getting it right now, you may not get it at this price again. This is why I'm shouting this every day and day, so that you don't miss out. You don't come and start saying that you blow account. If it pains me that I see people, they will blow the account up over and over and over again, going to lay complaint and asking me for signals and all that. Why not learn? Why not spend that little money? This class I'm holding now is just very cheap. I just bring it down so that everybody can afford it. Okay? If I say it's free now, people will be freed up and you will not learn. That is why the price is there, so that those that need to learn, those that understand what is there, can come, can learn. Okay? That is what you need to do. Now, why is this? Why am I even taking money from you in this place? Let me see. Let me show you what you need to, what you're going to learn. Look at this. This is the course outline. We are going to learn, apart from the normal te- technical analysis. You learn. You also learn what is called ICT. Look at this ICT. You're going to learn ICT, how to trade the institutional principles, how to understand the sponsored candles, the order blocks, and many things you need to understand. If you understand these things, you are going to make your decisions very right in that in your market. Okay, it's just very cheap at this point. I just told you guys that in this channel, those that are already a member of this channel, you are a member of this channel, you are a subscriber of this channel, then click on this video the description to join this group, this channel. So if you join this channel, you will be eligible to pay $40. Look at that. We're able to pay $40. Okay, so if you join here, you send me a shot, you are in this group, and we are going to pay just $40 instead of this for the YouTube channel subscribers, and then $100 for strangers. So you that are here, you have the chance, you have this is a opportunity to join this class at this rate. Do not miss out. Do not miss out for any reason. So that you don't complain tomorrow. This is 2021 about to end. Let us start 2022 with a different direction, a different move. Okay, so that by the end of 2022, you are going to come up and tell me that yes, HumbleFx, this is what I have achieved, and this year I've made this money this year, and I'm happy about that. So this is what I want to hear from you. Okay, do not miss this class, because it is going to be a very big loss if you miss it. You know why? This class may not come up again, and nobody will teach you this thing I'm going to teach you at this price, because only ICT you are seeing, only that course called the ICT is worth more than $500. I tell you the truth. If I also combine it with the foresia that you are also going to learn, you know that you are paying more than $1,000 for that class, but here it is given to you in at a platter of gold. So I urge you not to miss out. I urge you not to miss out. The class is coming up from the 20th of this month, and we are going to take it step by step, just from the very beginning of what is forex trading till we have done the very important part of it, which is analysis. Okay, you're learning the top-down analysis, how to trade like the bank. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I don't want to waste your time. I just want to show you how possible it is to make money. This is if you're in Nigeria, you know what this money is for you. Is for you. So what if you make this money like this on a daily basis? What will it do for you? What will it do for you? All right, guys, that's it, guys. If you want to join the class, check on this video description. You will see the link to my profile. Send me a message right now and send me the shot that you have joined that channel, and you are going to pay $40 for the class. Then we'll kick off on the 20th of this month. Then let's see how God will help us throughout the training. All right, thank you so much. HumbleFx. Enjoy.